Ever feel that knot of anxiety about losing access to your precious Solana tokens? Let's eliminate that fear today by making sure we know exactly where our Phantom Wallet seed phrase is and, most importantly, that it's correct. This phrase is the ultimate key to your Solana kingdom, so follow along carefully to ensure you're protected if your computer crashes or you get a new device. You'll need this to restore your assets. We're going to go step by step to locate and confirm your seed phrase. First, open your Phantom Wallet. You'll find the Phantom icon, usually a little ghost, in your browser's extension bar. Click on it. Now, look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear symbol and is located at the bottom of the wallet, which you will need to click. In the settings panel, find security and privacy and select this option. This is where your wallet's most sensitive information resides. You should now see an option labeled Reveal Seed Phrase before you click it. Remember, never share this phrase with anyone. Phantom support will never ask for this. Click that button. Now, your seed phrase will appear. Make sure no one else can see this information. Write it down carefully, double and triple checking each word. Spelling order matters. Store it offline in a safe, secure place. Don't take a picture or store it on your computer. Keeping it secure gives you the peace of mind that only you have access to your wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully located and backed up your Phantom Wallet seed phrase. You can now rest easy knowing your Solana assets are protected. Don't forget to subscribe for more Solana tips and tricks. And stay safe out there in the Web3 world.